The concept of the multiverse refers to the idea that our universe is not the only one, but is part of a larger collection of parallel or alternative universes, each with its unique laws of physics, constant and physical properties. This idea has gained traction across various fields, including cosmology, physics, philosophy, and even literature. Below is a detailed analysis of the multiverse concept, its implications, types, and critiques. Types of multiverse theories. Multiverse theories can be categorized into several main types. 1. Quantum multiverse. Rooted in quantum mechanics, particularly in the many worlds interpretation (MWI). This argues that every quantum event branches the universe into different outcomes, with each outcome existing in its universe. Example: if a quantum particle can spin in two different directions, up and down, each outcome represents a separate universe where that direction is realized. 2. Cosmic universe. Stemming from cosmological theories, especially inflationary cosmology. According to cosmic inflation, different regions of space can stop inflating at different times, leading to bubble universes that are casually disconnected from one another. Example: an infinite number of universes can emerge from a singular inflationary event, each with different physical constants. 3. String theory landscape. In string theory, the parameters of the landmark are determined by how strings can vibrate. This leads to a vast number of possible vacuum states, each representing a different universe with its own law. Example: the string theory landscape post possible universes. 4. Mathematical universes. Proposed by mathematicians Max Tegmark. This theory posits that all mathematically conceivable structures exist as physical realities. These include not only universes with different laws of physics, but also those that might seem absurd or contradictory. Example: universes where the laws of physics behave differently or where different forms of logic apply. 5. Anthropic multiverse. This idea involves the anthropic principles, which suggest that the universe law seems fine-tuned for life because we are measuring them from the perspective of a universe capable of supporting observers. In a multiverse, surpassing various constants and laws leads to some universe being hospitable to life while many others are not. Implication: the observed value of physical constants do not require extraordinary explanation. They are simply one instance among many. Implication of the multiverse. The multiverse concept has deep implications across various disciplines. 1. Cosmology and physics challenges our understanding of the universe's origin and its ultimate fate. 2. Leads to questions about the nature of reality, observation, and the significance of probability. 2. Philosophy. Philosophy roots in metaphysical discussion about the nature of existence, reality, and knowledge. Stimulate ongoing debate about determinism versus free will, since an infinite number of outcomes suggest different paths. Epistemology raises questions about what can be known and the limit of empirical evidence. For instance, if other universes exist beyond our observational capacity, how do we ascertain their characteristics? Ethics. Ethics proposes intriguing scenarios in moral philosophy, particularly in the context of alternative choices and outcomes. 5. Existentialism raises questions about the significance of life and existence amidst a vast array of possibilities, potentially leading to nihilism or a reevaluation of meaning. critics, and challenges. Despite its intriguing prospects, the multiverse concept faces significant criticisms. 1. Lack of empirical evidence. Many aspects of multiverse theory remain speculative with no direct observational evidence supporting the existence of other universes. The challenge is that, by definition, these universes may be inherently inaccessible to us. Scientific methodology. Critics argue that the multiverse violates the principle of falsifiability, suggesting that if multiverse theories cannot be tested or observed, they might not be valid scientific theories. Question arise: can we call a theory scientific if it cannot be rigorously tested? Over-conceptualization. Some scientists, like philosopher David Deutsch, affirm that positing a multiverse might complicate our understanding of quantum mechanics unnecessarily and may confuse rather than clarify physical phenomena. Philosophical implication. Critics argue that the anthropic principle might lead to a form of intellectual apathy about understanding our universe's fundamental laws. It may give rise to determinisms, counter-argument potentially undermining concept of individuality and agency. Conclusion: the multiverse concept represents a fascinating lens through which to view our existence and the cosmos. Whether seen as a robust scientific hypothesis or an interesting philosophical proposal, it challenges our foundational assumptions about reality, existence, and knowledge as scientific inquiry develops, particularly in quantum mechanics and cosmology. The debate over the viability and implication of the multiverse will likely continue to evolve. In the meantime, it serves as a rich ground for philosophical inquiry, scientific speculation, and creative exploration in literature and art. Follow us for more space updates. Like, comment, and share.